Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make, it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna show you how to make a quick salad, very healthy salad. Here I have some rocket lettuce, which I already washed, and some cherry tomato. I have some feta cheese here, and some red onion. So I'm gonna go ahead. Take the skin off the onion. Red onion in. Next I'm going to cut the tomato. Then I'm going to put some feta cheese in. Then I will add some vinaigrette over it. Just give it a bit of drizzle. Should be enough. I'm just gonna toss it a little bit. And I'm gonna get my plate here. Then I'm gonna get a piece of grilled chicken to go over it. So here I have a piece of chicken that I grilled earlier on, so I'll use some of it. So you just want to cut it at an angle. You just try to put it on the top. That's what it looked like. Put a bit more onion and thing around it, and tomatoes. Just a bit of color. Bit more feta cheese. Then a little bit more drizzle of the vinaigrette. So there you have it, guys. Healthy salad in under 5 minutes. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave positive comment.